Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called SavvyCal and this is the best simple scheduling software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can get to have yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and reward onto this platform, so make sure to give it a try. Now onto the dashboard, you can see we have this option of schedule new scheduling link. So once you click on this, you will be asked a couple of questions, like for example, if you want to proceed to link editor, you can head over to that. Now here you can see if you want to create a new schedule, you have various options, like for example your link type. If you drop down that, you have your mode, reusability. So if you are going to be making it reoccur, then you can use the single use or maybe multi-use option. After that, you have your duration. You can set it to different type of time spans, like for example 15, 30 and 45 minutes. After that, we have our attendees. Currently only I am joined. If you want to add an attendee, click on this option. You have your availability, similarly location, calendar and much more. So this is for the scheduling part. Now if you come back, you can see your meeting polls as well, which is also set something that you can create a new meeting poll, and here will be a similar interface is now opened up. So if you want to create polls, this is useful for that one. Let's just head back. You have your events, workflows, availabilities, teams. You can add your team members, your contacts, and in analytics everything is going to be summarized for your better understanding. Now let's say for some reason you are unsure about the platform. You can see its rating on G2. We have amazing 5 stars and 4-star ratings, in fact 4.5 stars. So people are really appreciating the platform and how it is performing. So you can head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.